ecological pyramids. Do you know what is pyramid? Pyramid is always triangular in shape. Base is always broad and tip is always narrow. Now we are learning ecological pyramids. Ecological pyramids is a graphical representation of how much energy or biomass is there in each trophic level. Now what is trophic level? So take an example of food chain: grass, deer, tiger. In this food chain, grass is first trophic level, deer is second trophic level, and tiger is third trophic level. So in a simple food chain, there are 3 trophic levels. These ecological pyramids are graphical representations. It might be dependent on number of animals in the food chain, weight of animals in a food chain, or energy transfer in a food chain. So these ecological pyramids have different types. First type is pyramid of energy. Second type is pyramid of number. And third type is pyramid of biomass. We are going to mainly focus on pyramid of energy. Consider a food chain in which there is a producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, and tertiary consumer. Now in terms of energy, producer is getting 100% of energy from sunlight. It is producing its own food material. So if this producer has 100% of energy, this producer is being eaten up by primary consumer. Primary consumer will not get 100% of the energy. It will only get 10% of the energy. What will happen to 90% of energy? 90% of energy will get lost to the environment. While the transfer of energy, 90% of energy will get lost in the environment. So level of energy is now less here. From primary consumer to secondary consumer, 10% of this 10% will get transferred. So only 1% of energy will get transferred to the second trophic level. So energy level is dropping at each trophic level. This 1% of energy, now this secondary consumer will be eaten up by tertiary consumer, and 10% of this 1% will get transferred to trophic level 4. 0.1% of energy will get transferred to the tertiary consumer. Energy is decreasing as we go up the trophic level. So what is this? If you join the lines, you will see this is a triangular shape. This is forming a pyramid. What type of pyramid is this? Upright pyramid. So energy pyramid is always upright, because while food is being eaten by the next trophic level, energy is being transferred, and this energy is getting less and less at each trophic level. So always pyramid of energy is upright in position. Now who said that only 10% of energy will get transferred and 90% will get lost in the environment? This is a law by a scientist known as Lindemann. So this is a Lindemann's 10% law. 10% law, Lindman's 10% law. This pyramid of energy is also following law of thermodynamics, which says not all the energy is transferred to the next tropic level. Some energy gets lost in the environment. This is also law of thermodynamics. Now let's look quickly what is pyramid of numbers and pyramid of biomass. Pyramid of numbers. Suppose there is only one tree and 4 birds are eating fruits of this tree, and there is one snake which is feeding on these 4 birds. So what will be the shape of the pyramid? One tree, 4 birds and one snake. So this shape will be upright. This pyramid of number can be upright. Pyramid of biomass. Biomass in layman's term can be called as weight of an organism, plant or an animal. Once you remove the moisture contained in the body of any plant or animal, then whatever weight remains is called as mass, in very simple language. So if you see in terms of biomass, grass, deer and tiger, take this example. Their mass of the plant is more as compared to deer. Mass of the tiger is less as compared to deer. So this gives us upright ecological pyramid. So terrestrial pyramid of biomass is always upright, but in aquatic ecosystem it is inverted. In aquatic ecosystem, imagine phytoplanktons, zooplanktons, small fish and big fish. If you consider mass of phytoplanktons, it is very less as compared to zooplanktons, and as compared to small fish, mass of zooplankton is less. So this gives us inverted pyramid. So terrestrial pyramid is always upright and aquatic pyramid of biomass is always inverted. Pyramid of number can change if we change the example. Pyramid of energy is always upright. Remember, pyramid of biomass, terrestrial pyramid will be upright, aquatic pyramid of biomass will be inverted. Pyramid of number can change according to different scenario, and pyramid of energy is always upright. Thank you for watching this video. In next video we will see types of ecosystem.